Ever get caught in the endless rabbit hole known as the TikTok scroll? The food hacks on there are crazy! And we're testing them out for ourselves. Look at all this amazing party food! Too bad no one showed up to enjoy it. I've never felt like such a loser. At least Naomi's getting her video on. And it looks like she's having fun. Kisses! Hey! Watch where you're sitting! Why the long face, Tina? My party's a dud. I know how to fix that. Welcome to the TikTok challenge wheel! Look at all these fun hacks! I want to try them all! And that's exactly what we're gonna do! Yes! Ladies, get your sandwiches ready! Could that look any tastier? Not yet! We have to do the challenge first. Just like on TikTok, remember? Let's do this! Oh yeah! How do we look? Ready for some color? Let's whip out those hues! First, we need a bowl of shredded cheese. And some bright food coloring. Now stir it up really well. And make other colors too. Ready for some rainbow grilled cheese? Put them on the bread in stripes. Add another piece of bread, and onto the grill it goes. Hear that sizzle? Definitely some melting action going on. And now for the big reveal. Take the sandwich in your hands and spread that cheese! Consider this TikTok hack legit! Can we eat them now? Spin's all yours, Tina! Yes! I've always wanted to try this one! Ta-da! You ready? Cut these suckers open! Once you've cut the bag open, pour out the candy, baby! Next, sneak one teeny bite. I never get tired of these. But we could try something different. How did you even do that, Tina? I know what you're thinking! Wanna spice up a plain white tea? Once it's twisted into a ball, use rubber bands to keep it tight. They'll help make your pattern. Stick Skittles on the top like this. Then spray them with water. And watch the colors bleed. Ready to see the end result? Wow, so awesome! We gotta post this on TikTok! A treat for the tongue and the eyes! That was perfect! We're gonna get so many views! Ready, set, spin! Ooh, donuts! But I don't know if we have any. Could we use these? They're like little mini donuts. Fill her up! First, pour a bunch of them onto a plate. I'm getting hungry already! Like my new tasty eyeballs? I know how to make these more donut-like. If you pop them into the microwave, I wonder if they'll grow. You see anything? No way. And… these things are monsters! And they smell so fruity! Look at them! There's only one thing left to do. Huh? Where are you taking those? Watch this. You're filming, right? 3, 2, 1. Check it out! Ever seen donuts this large? Should we? Oh yeah! Get in there! I can't believe this! Hello, Mr. Donut! This has gotta be some kind of world record! Get it together, Tina! Why don't you put it in here? Done! I've got the milk to go with it! You've never had cereal like this! Milk everywhere! Who's gonna take the first bite? Never had to cut my cereal before. Thanks! Let's take our first bite together! What's going on in here? They're still the same puny size! This is a major TikTok failure. What? That's not how I imagined it going. Definitely not filming this one. Ready for another spin? Watermelon! Yeah! Just give me 1 second, okay? Where's Tina going? You coming back? I guess I'll just hang out here. Ugh, this is taking forever! No snacks, huh? Should I go blonde? Cute. Come on, Tina. Is this chocolate powder? Seen it. Seen it. Arms are long, huh? I'm back with the prop of the hour! I'll do the honors. Right here. What? I've never seen anything like it! Did you do this ahead of time? Here's how it's done. Make the slice down the middle like normal. Looks good, right? With a spoon, scoop out the flesh and place it into a separate bowl. Eventually, it'll look like this. Set the rinds aside and slide this bad boy on in. Make a slice on the side like this. And keep going around the fruit. Don't forget the stem. Still a bit of rind to go. And don't forget about this white part. It's starting to look like a ball. A big red juicy ball. Remember the old rinds? Stick this second watermelon inside. Gotcha! That explains it. Let's show the world! Nothing like some TikTok magic! Looking good, Naomi! Itching to try these TikTok hacks yourself? We don't blame you! We really want to try that tie-dye Skittles shirt. Be sure to share this video with your friends to help their creative juices flow. Watch these? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!